For this, we'll start by adding the sphere that we'll be animating. Then we can make the spline. You have a lot of options, but we'll use the Bezier tool to carve out the spline. So this spline can move and rotate dynamically even without following a straight path. It can be in an S curve, in any path you want. So we'll first animate the sphere along this path. And to do this, we'll add the animation tag align to spline, not align to path. So after you add the spline in the spline path option, you can animate the position to move the sphere. So we'll go to the first keyframe, add a keyframe, a position keyframe, and then I think this won't be enough, so you can do like 300 or 150, but let's start with 300. Um, 300 is very slow. I think the F curve is also affecting it. We can first change the F curve and then try changing it to 150 and see if it will be faster and small. After changing the seconds, you can see the animation is smooth and it's not that slow. So we can now make the surface. We'll do this by duplicating this spline, and we can sweep a sphere through the the spline to make like a half turner. So our tunnel is inversed, and how to solve this? We can do this by option 1. We can rotate it, but if we rotate it, it won't be aligned well with the spline where we made our animation. So the other option that we can do is we can reverse the point order, and when we do this, it will be in reverse, but we can just change the camera angle. And there it is. So what's remaining now, it's just making this object dynamic, and we'll do this by adding the you can see the camera has the order has changed, so we can just adjust the camera. So when we add these bullet tags, we add a collider body and rigid body. Rigid body is for the movement, collider body is for the surface. So after we do this, the object won't move. Let me add, I think I should add some tiles. We can adjust the force to make the object follow the position and rotation. And strictly, this object must be in contact with the surface. The object is spinning dynamically, but it's spinning fast, so we can try to reduce it. We can, let's say we can use we can add one and see if, let's try to first. It's still fast, but you get the point. You adjust these numbers, and depending on how slow or how fast you want it to be, and I think this is fine. So this would be the end of the tutorial. Subscribe, hit on the like button, and if possible you can share with your friends.